What is up guys, how's it going? This is Jack James and in this video, we are gonna unbox a MacBook Pro that I bought from eBay.
Alright, let's stop here for a moment. Let me explain to you what's happening here. So recently I went to eBay to buy a laptop and I came across to this 13-inch MacBook Pro from an eBay trusted seller. This MacBook has a 2 missing rubber feet, the lamination in the screen, and a few scratches. So I bid on it for $450 below market price with very little hope. And to my surprise, I won the bid for $445. So fast forward 1 week later, here we are.
Now let's proceed with the unboxing. Okay, for starters, let's talk about the obvious, which is the box, which is huge. I didn't bought an iMac, but the weight seems about right. Considering this laptop is just 13-inch, this is such an overkill. I actually got a 15-inch laptop here for comparison to show you how huge this box is. Look at that. It can even fit like 3 of them in there. It's crazy. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, let's cut it open. Whoa. Look at that. Alright, as you can see, this thing's covered with plastic around the styrofoam material. Look at that. How'd you open this thing? It's just can't open, man. Alright, I already did cut deep enough, but I can seem to see any signs of laptop. Look at that. I removed this from this, and there's no sign of laptops. Oh god, I hate to say this, but did they just get scammed? Like, look at that. It's just styro and plastic. Yeah. More styro. Look at that. Just styro and plastic. Is this one of those eBay horror stories? But there's still some weight on it. Maybe there's still hope. Wait, I can see something. Is that a MacBook? Yeah. It is definitely a laptop. Oops, there's a power charging cable as well. Look how crazy the packaging was, man. Under this thick styro, there's the laptop. Come on, man. It's crazy. Maybe there might be even another laptop hiding in this somewhere. Nope. Alright, let's get back to the box. Look at that. It's big compared to this 13-inch. Look at that. And on top of it with the styrofoam. It's crazy, man. Alright, after a scary unboxing issues we had, finally we had the 13-inch MacBook Pro. Okay, I think as far as the pictures in the listing is concerned, it is pretty spot on. Alright, right off the bat, at the bottom plate, as you can see, there are 2 missing rubber fits at the bottom, and then there's some light to moderate scratch on it, and some sticker marks, as you can see here, which maybe we can fix it. Other than that, there's no other issues whatsoever of the outer chassis of this MacBook Pro. Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's see if it's even gonna turn on. Oop, nothing in there. Oh, it is drained. Let's juice it up.
While the laptop is charging, let's take a closer look at this MacBook Pro. Externally, we can notice a light scratches in the top plate of the laptop from I would say a normal wear. And at the bottom plate of the laptop, we will immediately notice that the two rubber fits are missing. But it is noted by the seller in the listing description, so no surprise in there. There are also some deep scratches located at the bottom plate and a barcode sticker, which is common when you're buying from a company that resells on eBay. When it comes to ports, this older MacBook Pro has all the ports in the world. On the left side of this MacBook, it has two Thunderbolt 2 ports, a USB port, a headphone jack, and the crowd favorite, the MagSafe charging port. And on the right side of this MacBook, we have another USB port, HDMI port, and an SD card slot, which is very convenient for photographers, videographers, and content creators. As we open this MacBook, we can easily notice the delamination of the screen, as others called it stain gate. And as we can see in this case, it is pretty bad. That can be a deal breaker for some. Now let's get into the keyboard, and I would say that it is in good condition, with very minimal signs of wear. And this is the last generation of MacBook Pro that had the scissor switch keyboard, which most people still prefer, before they went into the butterfly keyboard that a lot of people are having a problem with right now. 2015 was also the year where Apple first introduced the Force Touch trackpad, which is a very unique feature from the previous generation of Retina MacBook Pro at that time. And upon turning on this MacBook, we can definitely see what a lot of people are missing from the newer model. It is the iconic glowing Apple logo. Right off the bat, we can see that it is running a Catalina, Apple's latest OS. Let's take a quick look at the specs. This is, by the way, the top spec 13-inch 2015 MacBook Pro with 3.1 GHz of dual-core i7 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and Intel Iris Graphics 6100. And the specs are pretty accurate as seen in the seller's listing. And the only red flag I can see in this laptop is its battery, which is saying that it has over 1,000 cycle count. And if you ask me if does it really matter, well, we don't know yet, but we will definitely check on how well it performs on day-to-day normal use. Even 5 years later, this 13-inch 2015 MacBook Pro is still the best value MacBook Pro that you can buy in the used market with the right specs and condition. It has the balance of price, portability, and performance. It has definitely stand the test of time. That's why it is one of the most sought after MacBook Pro in eBay right now. And I believe that Apple will continue to support and update it for the next 3 to 4 more years. By the way, I forgot to mention that I live in Canada. So I paid extra $90 for shipping, which brings the total to $541. And it's still way cheaper compared to the price that they are going for here in Canada. And another plus was it came with no duties at all. So there you have it. What do you guys think? Did we had a good deal with this MacBook Pro? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like it, click thumbs up. And for more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till next time, see you soon.